Maintenance-free earthing. We have seen about conventional earthing and its types in the previous sessions. The second method of earthing is maintenance-free earthing. It is a new type of earthing system which is ready-made, standardized, and scientifically developed. It is absolutely maintenance-free. It is not necessary to pour water at regular intervals except in sandy soil. It maintains stable and consistent earth resistance around the year. The conductive compound creates a conductive zone which provides the increased surface area for peak current dissipation. And this also gets a stable reference point. It has low earth resistance. It is highly conductive and carries high peak current repeatedly. No corrosion. It has a long life and it is easy to install.